Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, vlogs, real people and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today's video, we're going to talk about fall fragrances that I feel like are beginner friendly if you're going into the niche side of perfumes. I know when I first started getting into niche fragrances, like it took me some time to get into like out of my comfort zone, you know what I'm saying? So I would definitely gravitate towards fragrances that were familiar to my nose or smelled, you know, good to me, of course, until I started learning more about notes and what I liked and didn't like, etc. So today we're going to talk about a few fall fragrances. Love Fest Burning Cherry by Kayali. I feel like this is easy to love. Like, it just smells like cherries with a little woodiness, and it's still light and somewhat juicy, like a little bit. But it's perfect for fall. Like, this is also good for layering in the fall too, to add that cherry and that woodiness to another fragrance. Like, this is good for that too. So if you're a person that likes fruity fragrances and you want to add a little depth to it, a little, you know, something more, the woodiness from this will give you that. It'll give you a little something more. Crystal Love for Her by Adore collection, y'all. I'm so ready to wear this because it has chocolate in it. I have not worn this since last year. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So this is like a, if you like Casablanca, I feel like you would like something like this. I feel like they are in the same family. It has like a sweetness to it, chocolatey, you know, vanilla, and but still clean but soft and musky, like at the same time. Like, it just this is a good performer. Like, it stays on me for hours and hours and hours. The fruitiness, the chocolate, the rose, the musk. Girl, this one right here, this is my favorite one from the Adore collection. Cowtan Night is my baby too though, but yeah. But for somebody that is trying to go from, you know, designer to niche, this one for sure. Note Vanille by M. Mika left. This is a perfect vanilla for somebody who just loves vanillas, whether you are into niche or not. But if you are a person that loves vanillas and you want to try something that is a niche, this is a good vanilla. I feel like it's easy to love, and all of these fragrances I feel like are easy to love. This is a vanilla, and it's just that, like, it does have a boozy and rumminess to it. My juice isn't quite as dark as it should be, but I've had a decant of this where the juice is nice and dark, and it just smells so good. Like, this still smells good, but I know it's going to get even deeper and richer as my juice darkens. When I smell it out the bottle now, like, I don't get that rum and that cognac and that deep richness with the amber and vanilla that I would get once this kind of macerates more. But I know what it smells like, so that's why I'm basically telling y'all. So if you're somebody looking for a nice niche vanilla, give this one a try. If you're somebody that likes chocolatey scents, you like something a little deeper, a little more, you know, gourmand, something like that, but not too gourmand, then you can try this one by Stefan Amber Lucas. This is Sand Dance. So I always tell y'all, this is like the daytime version of Black Phantom. This smells so good. I already got a scent on, but this smells so good. Ooh. This is chocolatey, a little like cacao powdery type of chocolate. You know what I'm saying? It's got a slight sweetness to it, a slight airiness to it. Like, it's like a kind of an airy chocolate, if that makes sense. This isn't the most affordable fragrance, but it is mass appealing, crowd pleasing, like as far as chocolatey fragrances go, because it does have that light airy powderiness to it. So yeah, get you a sample. You can definitely get samples, try this and see how you like it, and see if it's something you want to add to your fragrance collection for the fall, because it's perfect right now. Deluxe by Tiziana Terenzi. I feel like this is perfect for fall, of course, because it has that coffee in it, but I feel like it's just such a nice light coffee rose honey type of fragrance. Like, this isn't offensive. You can pretty much wear this anywhere. You can add more coffee to it, you can add more rose to it. Like, you can do whatever you want with this, but it just smells so good. It just smells so good. This is one of the more quiet Tiziana Terenzi fragrances, so it's not super loud, super beast mode, but it does like hug all over you like pretty much most of the day for sure. Like, I haven't had any problems with this. So yeah, if you like you know, a little bit of honey, a little bit of coffee, a little bit of rose, then definitely check out Deluxe. So some people just like to smell clean all year round, which is nothing wrong with that, okay? Kryptonite by Khalil T is just, it's just so clean and fresh. Like, I feel like you can wear this all year round, because the slight almondy nuttiness to it still makes me feel like I can still wear it in the fall. Like, I don't feel like this will stand up to super cold weather and outside, but I feel like inside or something intimate, Oh yeah, this is perfect for fall. Clean, fresh, nutty, and woody. I know that might sound crazy, but they did it perfectly in this fragrance. Like, I just feel like this is great to just lounge around in the house, to just smell clean and fresh, but also like I still feel like it has a fall feel to it. Definitely get your nose on Kryptonite if you like those types of fragrances. Rolling in Love. When I first started getting into niche fragrances, this was one of the first Killians that I smelled and purchased, and I feel like this is easy to get into and to love. Now this one is a deeper almond. Like, this is more of that sweet, creamy, kind of milky type of almond, like an almond cookie type a little bit, but not in an edible way, like in a fragrance type of way. And I definitely smell the tuberose still, but it's like a smooth, sweet, soft tuberose. You get the bubble gummy type of factor in there mixed with the almond, but it's not too much, not too strong. Like, this is blended so good. Ooh, I haven't worn this in so long. But y'all, as y'all can see, when I used to wear it, Roses Vanille. Now, even though I always say this smells like lemon covered, sugared, candied roses, it definitely does, but it has a big dose of vanilla. Like, the vanilla, the roses are sitting on top of vanilla. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, absolutely. Like, this is an all year round scent. I always wear it all year round because the lemon makes me feel like it's more citrusy summer spring, but the roses and the vanilla definitely gives it a fall vibe. You can layer this with so many things. The longevity on it is so good. I always say that. And yeah, like Roses Vanille, this is perfect for somebody getting into it. Now, you do have to be a rose lover, of course, but if you are a rose lover and you like roses and vanilla, like, this is a no-brainer. If you are somebody that likes creamy, like tonic fragrances, then try Milk by Commodity, but the expressive version. I feel like this is such a nice, creamy, smooth, sweet, but slightly woody, like woody fragrance too. So the woodiness gives it that kind of niche quality to me. It grounds the fragrance. It doesn't make it too sweet and too cloying or too much like food. Like, you know what I mean? Like, the wood smells so good in here. So if you are a person that likes that creamy, soft, kind of marshmallowy feel, but you want it to be more grounded with the woodiness, Milk by Commodity is that girl. And now I got the bold one, y'all, but y'all ain't ready for the bold one. Y'all not ready for the bold one yet. Last is This Is Her by Zadig and Voltaire. This is this smells like how the bottle looks, like a creamy, sweet, milky sandalwood. Oh, and it's just so comforting. Like, this one is more creamy, musky, sweet sandalwood, and then like Milk is more like sweet, smoky, woody, creamy. So yeah, that's the difference between these two, because a lot of times people compare these two and they do have a lot of similarities, but they definitely kind of go in their own different direction. But this is perfect. I like to wear this at home, in the bed. It's so cozy and comforting. It makes you just want to be in your big white blanket, just all snuggled up in front of a fireplace. Like, this is everything. If you like chestnuts and creaminess, sandalwood, that kind of, yeah, it's like chestnut or hazelnut or something like that, yeah, like, definitely this would be for you. This would be perfect for you. So y'all let us know down in the comments what fragrances you think are beginner niche friendly and they are perfect for fall and winter, since we are getting into those seasons. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.